Hey my Butter Jacob fam, how are you all? This is Janisha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna share you all some of the top beauty benefits of using rice water. So rice water is really good for your skin, face and hair, and trust me guys, rice water do a lot of miracle to your face and hair. Rice water contains number of vitamins which is really good for skin and hair, and many decades ago Chinese and Japanese used rice water to enhance their beauty, and also they used rice water for anti-aging treatment. And one interesting fact is they all had a really long, lengthy, strong hair because they used rice water to wash their hair. Okay, now I'll tell you how to make rice water. It is really simple. Take half a cup of raw rice in a bowl. You can use any rice. Then rinse the rice by using water to remove away all the dirt, and again strain that water, again fill the rice with some water and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain away the rice and take the water alone. If you want, you can store this rice water in any airtight container and store it in fridge. You can use it for 3 days, but it is better to use a fresh rice water. Okay, now I'll tell you some of the benefits of using rice water. Rice water is really good for hair. So what you have to do is, after washing your hair by using shampoo, pour rice water over your hair, massage your scalp and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse your hair by using water. So you can do it once or twice a week to get a good result. Mix fresh aloe vera gel with rice water, mix it well and apply it on your hair and leave it for 30 minutes, and make sure your hair should be dry and clean. So now apply this mixture over your hair and scalp and leave it for 30 minutes and then wash your hair. You can use shampoo and conditioner also. So you can do it once or twice a week. Pour rice water in a bowl. Now dip your fingers in the bowl and leave it for 3 minutes and take out your fingers and wipe it by using tissue paper. So repeat this procedure for 3 times. You can do this 3 times a week to get a strong and lengthy nail. Rice water is really good to get rid of acne. Store the rice water in a fridge and then apply it on the acne by using cotton balls or cotton pad and leave it for 15 minutes and then wash your face. So you can do this 2 days once to get a good result and to get rid of acne. Rice water contains antioxidant which helps to fight against anti-aging and wrinkles. Dip cotton ball or cotton pad in rice water and apply it on your face and leave it for 20 minutes and then wash your face by using cold water. You can do it daily, or if you want you can do it twice a week also. Rice water contains number of vitamins and minerals which is really good for your skin. Now dip thick tissue paper in a rice water and put it on your face like a sheet mask and leave it for 20 minutes and then wash your face by using cold water without using any soap. Or else you can dip cotton pad in a rice water and you can apply it on your face. You can do this 3 times a week also. So these are the beauty benefits of using rice water, and next time don't waste rice water, instead use it in a beneficial way and get benefited. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video, and also click the little bell icon to get personal notification whenever I post any new videos. So see you guys in my next video.